Hey crafties! Today we're going to create a cake topper with floating elements using acetate. When designing your topper, select all and offset the entire design so that the offset is thick enough around the edges where it's going to be held together by that offset. I'm using Encore Shell Pink Sequin Glitter, Encore Snowy White, Encore Jet Black, Clear Acetate, and Miri Matte Pearl White for the ghost. As always, I'm going to begin by piecing together all of my smaller elements like text, and I'm going to use Barely Arts glue to adhere the first layer onto my white layer. I'm going to use dimension using 3D foam strips to pop out those first two layers onto the third layer. Next, I'm going to take my layered pieces and apply Barely Arts craft glue to the back of them and adhere them directly onto the acetate. Once I'm done, I'm going to flip my topper over and apply hot glue to the areas that are covered by my elements so that you don't see the glue on the acetate alone. Then I'm going to apply the acrylic stick there. I'm also going to add one last pop of foamies so that my last layer of cardstock covers up any and all glue from showing. Gently clean around your acetate if needed. This tip can be used to create floating cake toppers for any theme. I hope you enjoyed it.